Hi everyone, this is going to be our third and final video on using Exam4 for our fall 23 Gould final exams. So we've all gotten to the wait screen. The proctors tell us that we can start the exam, so we're going to click Begin Exam, and that will pop up the typing page. First thing we need to do is go and retrieve our exam contents. So we're going to go to Exam Info, Exam Document, and we're going to put the document ID in this window. The document ID will be provided to you in the room where the exam is taking place by the proctors. It's usually written on the whiteboard at the front of the class, and it is 3 numbers and a letter. In our case, for practice, it's 123P. Click Fetch, and you'll get the exam contents for your exam. But now you want to be able to see your exam and put your answers in. So we go side-by-side view and then expand this on our screen until we've got it adjusted the way we want it to be. And here you can see this is why we are eager to have you guys do practice exams ahead of time so that you're comfortable with this process and you know what this is going to look like on your computer. So here's a typing screen. You know, you look at question 1, if it's an essay question, and you start answering it, and that's great. You're ready to move on to question number 2. All we need you to do is indicate which question you are answering for each answered question. So you can just put question 2, question 3, whatever you want. Otherwise, you can go up here to Tools and select Insert Answer Separation, and it will put one of these in here. And then you can just put, 3, 4, 5, whatever, and keep going and typing away. So if you have multiple choice, it could be a essay only, multiple choice only, or a combination thereof. Either way, you'll have a multiple choice window. Do not type your multiple choice answers in the text window. There is a specific window just for multiple choice answers, and that is here. Click Hide, Multiple Choice, and you can toggle back and forth. And this is where you can put your answers. So if you're looking at your multiple choice questions and you're going through, you go next, next. Notice how they turn blue when they're answered. And you can just go ahead and do that for as many questions as you need to answer. If you want to go back to a previous question and change it, you can. So say I want to go back to number 2. I don't like B. I want to change it to D, but it's not letting me. You have to unlock it. Then you can change it. And then as soon as you navigate away, it locks it again. And that's just to keep a user from accidentally changing their answer by bumping a key. So that's how this works. And then say you're still not sure about number 2. You'd like to go and look at it again. You can mark it to remind yourself, oh yeah, I want to go back and look at number 2. And then you can continue on. Now, if it's a combination of essay and multiple choice and you are switching back and forth, that's okay. If you want to go work on essay questions for a while, you can come back here, do more typing. And then if you go back to multiple choice, you'll see that your answers are still here. You don't have to save anything. It's automatically saved. So you can just, like I said, toggle back and forth. So, and a note on this page, even if it's a multiple choice only exam, do not try to fetch the document, the exam contents, using the document ID from this page. It won't work. If we put in 123P here and click Fetch, it just says document not found. So if you're starting an exam, just make sure that you're fetching the exam contents from the main page here. Because the multiple choice fetch won't work. So that's basically that. There are some tools here that you can use. If you go to Tools, you can check spelling. It will just start at the top and start checking. You can do document statistics. It's a little tiny button here. will show how many words and lines you're using for each answer in case you're doing a short answer section and you're limited to a certain number of words for each answer. That's a way you can keep track of that. You can also insert the answer separator from over here. There's a little bit of formatting things that you can do with your text in this window, but realistically, formatting is not a priority with this. For the most part, we're just trying to get your answers written down. So that's really all you need to worry about as far as that's concerned. So when you've gone back and forth, you've answered all your questions, you've demarcated which questions you're answering, you're happy with your multiple choice selections, and you're ready to exit the software, then you're just going to go up here to End Exam in the upper left corner, End Exam Now, and it's going to ask you to confirm. Now, again, be sure because once you exit the exam, you can't go back in. So we're going to say, yes, we are ready to exit. We're done. Confirm. And it's going to exit the exam, and now it's going to ask you to submit. We're always going to submit electronically, and it's going to just upload it to the server. So you should get this green exam submittal successful, and this is the only receipt that you'll get for your submission. It is saved to your hard drive, so you have a copy of this receipt, but you're not going to get an email or anything else from us saying that it's submitted. If you get this green screen, it's submitted. If it doesn't submit for some reason, it'll be red and it'll say not successful. That's not an emergency. There's no reason to panic. It just means it couldn't hit the network. And that might be because you've got a bad Wi-Fi signal in the basement or a number of other reasons. So if for some reason you're not able to get it to upload after a few tries, just raise your hand and somebody from IT will be around and we will come and check it out and make sure that it gets uploaded. So you select I understand, it's been submitted, okay. Now I just need to exit the software, so exit Exam4 now. Again, confirm and exit the software. And that's it. Now your exam is submitted and you're on to the next one. So that is how we go from the wait screen into the software and submit our exam. All that being said, again, please download the software and test this for yourself. I recommend that you do it in a number of modes and really familiarize yourself with the environment so that during an exam, the software is not a stressful part of your process. You don't want to be worrying about how the software works when you're trying to answer questions. And now, right now, we are ahead of finals, and if you have any technical issues, we can fix them now. But if you wait till the day of exams, we won't have time to troubleshoot anything. So go ahead and test it out, and we look forward to hearing from you, and we will see you at exams. Thanks.